Okay, so YouTube, this is me out with my boys. Can't quit living life, but we're at Pluckers and just wanted to let you guys see what smart choices I made. Of course, I love beer, but my beer is Michelob Ultra Light. It only has 95 calories per every 12 ounces, so you know what? I can go work that out. And while they're enjoying, of course, their chicken wings, I'm enjoying the chicken salad, and I'm gonna go ahead and eat that with honey mustard. So it's an easier, healthier choice. Okay, I still want to have fun with them, but I don't want to regret it. Don't want to regret all the calories. All right, talk to you later.